Were you asleep in the garage? Were you asleep in the garage? Come on, slow boy. Oh, big stretch. Oh, goodness, yes. Good morning. There's Ruby. Come on, Tuxie, come on. Oh, there's your big stretch. Come on. I got your food. Let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go over here. Come on, Bubba. Come on. Well, Panther's back to his normal self this morning, waiting at the door, greeting me, wanting rubs. It's all good. It got better as the day went on yesterday. I think he was just sore. He seems to be doing fine. Thank goodness. All right, Ruby, let's get this show on the road today. I'm a little tired and it's only Tuesday. Yep, good morning, Ruby. It's kind of a murky orange to the sunrise this morning. Supposed to get up into the low 70s. We're currently at 46, so it's not too bad out there at all. Don and I are probably going to walk this afternoon. I am behind on getting yesterday's video done. I was exhausted after 15,000 steps yesterday and all the things I did, and I didn't last too long once we started watching TV. I was asleep. Well, I guess I can say I'm enjoying going into downtown more now that the time has changed, because we're back to seeing some really pretty sunrise. I keep on raiding for Rockruff, a Pokemon, a puppy. I want a shiny one. The shiny one's blue. I'm not having any luck, but one of the guys back in Fuquay that I invited to the raid, he got a shiny one during the raid, so he was excited. I'm headed back to the house now. I've sat for a minute. I did my stretch, and it's time to get back on the road. I just started book 3. There are at least 4, and I'm still enjoying it as much as ever. My welcoming committee. Hi. Hello. Hi, Marty. Where'd you go? Hi, bud. I have leg rubbers now. Meow. Well, I just managed to get the video sent to render. Maybe I can release it early evening. It's not incredibly long or short. It is what it is. Wish I had another half an hour. I need to work on a statement to Samsung, but that'll have to wait until this afternoon. 11:02 is my arrival time. That'll be the latest I've ever shown up. Maybe I can make up a couple minutes on the way, but I doubt it. Headed to the chiropractor, of course. It's Tuesday. Woohoo! I'm down to 10:59. It's all gonna just depend on the light up here after I take the exit, whether I get 1 light cycle, 2 light cycles, or just happen upon it when I can go. Well, that was refreshing. My foot is really starting to do better. I mostly notice that toe hurts if I sit crisscross, and my leg is sort of on top of my foot, and that pressure, I can't enjoy that right now. I go, oh, I didn't mean to sit like that, and I move my legs. I do that sometimes when I'm working on the videos when we're sitting on the couch. But it is better. Other than that, I'm not noticing it bothering me too much anymore. I really should try my sneakers again and see. I have a feeling, though, that extra pressure is still going to not feel right. But she treated both my feet, and I do notice a good bit of relief from that. I suffered with either a bone spur or plantar fasciitis for some period of time. I don't remember what year that was, but 3 or 4 years ago, like for an entire 6 to 9 months, every step I took hurt, and thankfully that has gone away, but they still are a little achy from time to time, just not that step, pain. Well, after being on it for 15,000 steps yesterday, though, they were tired. All right, here's to finding some fun stuff, some bargains, some things Michelle will be excited about. You know the drill. Well, right offhand, I don't see any Legos. Very cute. I guess I'll give that a try. It's 12:49, so I think I'm doing pretty good on time. You got to be downtown, you know, 2:10, 2:20. So I've got time to go to Whole Foods, which is where I'm headed next. Kind of struck out in there. I'll show you what I got here in a second. Besides the kitty shirt, I got a 4th of July shirt, and then this vintage 70s green spice rack spinner thing, which Don and I might use out in the garage, or Johnny could take to an apartment, or I don't know. It seemed like it was, you know, it's a real Rubbermaid one. Well, my timing today is spot on. I got everything I needed, I picked up a dessert for Thursday with our visitors. Make things a little easier on myself so I'm not stressed. And gonna go grab Johnny and then go home and try to enjoy some of this beautiful sunny day out there. It's 71 now. Same view, same city, different day. Always a little bit different view though. I like seeing Teslas parked along Raleigh city streets. I kind of been hanging with the kitties. I pulled the perennial seeds that had sprouted out of my fairy garden and vacuumed Ruby and vacuumed the garage and just been doing a couple of other small chores. Spring is filled with many things. Let me go pick up my bunny. This guy doesn't have a way to tie him down. He just has a big heavy bean bag in him. So he's going to come off of the thing every once in a while. He probably fell when he opened up this morning and I wasn't here to fix him. I'm gonna temporarily remove the Joker sign. It comes off really easy. And this is the before shot. These 4 columns are going. And this purple pieces are what's supposed to be there. I'm gonna fix that now. They came, well, yesterday. All fixed. Much better. Somebody worked 11 hours again today.
11 and a half.
Didn't get to go for a walk. I'm moody.
She's a little ticked at me.
Well, not really, but I'm moody. But I'm still cooking you clams and steak, and I may have brought home a lobster tail.
Oh, wow.